Hello students of class 6. Today I will continue the chapter Weather and Climate. Open page 58. I will start from altitude. That is the third and very important factor for variation of air temperature is altitude. Altitude means height. This is a mountain and you know that this is 0 kilometer and this is height. 10 kilometer, then 20 kilometer, then 30 kilometer, okay, 30 meter. This is 0 meter, 10 meter, 30 meter in this way. And this here, as the height increases, the temperature gradually decreases. At 0 meter, temperature is suppose 20 degrees Celsius, then 15, then 10, then 8 degrees Celsius. So temperature decreases with increasing height. So see this diagram, mountain height increases, temperature decreases. Now what happened? Temperature decreases at a rate of 6.4 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meter of 1 kilometer of ascent. This is known as normal lapse rate. What is normal lapse rate? Temperature decreases at an average rate of 6.4 degrees Celsius for 1000 meter or 1 kilometer of ascent. This is known as lapse rate. And for this reason, as you go in the high mountainous region, temperature starts to decrease. That is, temperature falls as height increases. When you travel from Siliguri towards Darjeeling, though both are in the same latitude, because of height, the temperature of Darjeeling is comparatively less than that of Siliguri because of its altitudinal variations. Okay. Now I am going to the heat zones of the earth. This is our earth, this is equator. This is 23½ degree north. This is 23½ degree south. Okay. The places that lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, in between Tropic of Cancer 23½ degree north and Tropic of Capricorn 23½ degree south is called torrid zone. This is torrid zone. Okay. So which one is torrid zone? The places that is located in between 23½ degree north and 23½ degree south latitude is known as torrid zone. The places that lie between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer is called North Temperate Zone, and Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn is called South Temperate Zone. The places that lie between 23½ degree north and 66½ degree north is called North Temperate Zone. The places that lie between 23½ degree south and 66½ degree south is known as South Temperate Zone. The places that lie between 66½ degree north and 90 degree north is called North Frigid Zone. And the places that lie between 66½ degree south, that is Antarctic Circle to South Pole, is called South Frigid Zone. So there are how many temperature zones? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 temperature zones on the earth surface. What are those? Torrid zone, north temperate, south temperate, north frigid, south frigid. These are the 5 temperature zones in our earth. So this I will give in brief form. This part is explained elaborately in your book. I will give in brief, and that you will practice for 5 marks answer. Along with diagram you have to practice. The next part is what is isotherm. Isotherms are the imaginary line, very important, page number 16. Isotherms are the imaginary line drawn on the map joining the places having same temperature. Isotherms are the imaginary line drawn on the map joining the places having same temperature is called isotherm. And up to means this definition, that is pink color definition, very important. This chapter is means elaborately everything is given, but whatever I have said you should read that part. Please don't skip those part. So I am ending this video here. In next video I will start from air pressure. Thank you class.